Alright guys, so I'm doing a review of this Herbion cough lozenges. These were on sale, believe it or not. I got this pack for really cheap because there's 6 in this pack. So yeah, that's really it's a pretty good deal, I guess. So, but I've never tried these, so we're gonna do a quick review. So let's open this up. Alright, so I took one out of the box here, and this is what they look like. There's 18 in the box. And I don't know if you can read this. It's kind of blurry. Where are the ingredients on this thing? Where are the ingredients? Okay, so the ingredients are on this insert. So if you guys want to read it, pause the video. Right there. This is what they look like. Let's try them out. So I have one in my mouth right now. So they're similar to Halls, but not as sweet. They taste more medicinally, like herbally. So you get some of that bitter notes. I can really taste like some of the yeah, you can get slightly more of the bitter notes, and it's not overly sweet at all. So if you like if you don't want something sweet, this is actually not bad. So definitely check it out, guys. Any questions, comments, please subscribe to the channel.